Today I want to talk to you about unicondylar knee replacement. As opposed to a total condylar knee replacement, which is called a total knee replacement, this is also sometimes called as a partial knee replacement. Now, the knee, a natural knee is composed of two bones and four ligaments. Now, these four ligaments act like four tires in a car, giving supreme balance. Often, some patients have arthritis or wear and tear only in one compartment. So, in that case, what we would like to do is we like to retain the natural kinematics of the knee and do a partial knee replacement where only the worn out part is replaced. The advantages of this are a quicker surgery, a rapid recovery, a more natural feeling knee, and the patient is able to do all their day-to-day activities very comfortably. Please come and visit me at Swarnarani Clinic with a prior appointment if you would like to know more about a unicondylar knee replacement. Thank you.